Good morning students, welcome back our online classes Maths 8th standard. Students, today we are going to discuss about the division of rational numbers. In previous classes, that means 7th classes, already you have studied about that division of integers or whole numbers. And also in this classes also already you have discussed about the multiplication, addition and subtraction of rational number. But today how we will do the division we will study in this today. Okay, so let us discuss about that. What is the division of rational numbers? We will see. So students, if a by b and c by d are two rational numbers, then what will happen students? A by b divided by c by d is equal to, if that is a by b is one rational number, c by d is one rational number, then how will divide? Now we have to write first of all this a by b into what is this divisor? This reciprocal, that means d by c, okay, is equal to multiply. We know already multiplication, ad by bc is the answer. Are you clear? Once we come to the point, a by b divided by c by d is equal to a by b into d by c. That means whenever we are multiplying this will change reciprocal. That means denominator will become numerator and numerator will become denominator. And we know that it is multiplication, numerator with numerator, denominator with the denominator. We can take one more example also here. See, suppose I will take 3 by 2 divided by 4 by 5. Okay friends, so if we take 3 by 2 divided by 4 by 5, then how will write solution of the friends? First of all, 3 by 2 divided by 4 by 5, okay, is equal to, first this number no change, you will stay like this. You keep, instead of division you have to write the multiplication. Very carefully observe, instead of division you have to write a multiplication, but this rational number will change. It's reciprocal. Reciprocal means 4 by 5. What is the reciprocal? 5 by 4. So into 5 by 4. Now we know the multiplication. 3 into 5. 3 into 5 by 2 into 4. How much will come? 3 5 ja 15 by 2 4 ja 8. Are you clear this students? So like this we will take that some more examples. Okay students? So write down that some more examples. We will take example 2. Suppose 1 by 2 divided by 3 by 8. What is that? What will come? See, 1 by 2, its reciprocal 8 by 3. Now multiply 1 into 8, 8, 2 into 3, 6. This is our answer. Okay friends. So we will see that next example. We will discuss about this. Okay friends, so we have discussed that. We will take that one more example. So like that observe friends, the product of two rational number is minus 8 by 9. Observe, both two rational numbers we are multiplied, that product is minus 8 by 9, and out of that two, one number is minus 4 by 15. Find out the other number. Okay friends, so given that, what is the given us? In the product of the two number given, product of two number is how much? Minus 8 by 9. Okay, two numbers का product given minus 8 by 9. One number how much? Minus 4 by 15. Observe friends, two numbers multiplying, getting the answer. This is one number given, another number find out. So we don't know another number, what is that? So let other number be x. We don't know. We have to take that one variable number x. This is suppose one number. Okay, that means question, according to the question, what is that telling? X into this. This is one number, this is one number, and this two number multiplication is this. So according to the question, 8p cube, we can write it short form. According to question, what is that? This two number multiplying x into minus 4 by 15, product of the two number is equal to how much? This is minus 8 by 9. Are you clear? See students, very carefully this equation you must be do. Though two numbers of product given minus 8 by 9. One number given to you, other number find out. Other number which you have taken, we don't know, that's why you have taken the x after school. Assuming that x, so x into, this is one number, x is one number, so x into minus 4 by 15 is equal to, what is that answer? 8 minus 8 by 9. Okay. Now what is that implies? Students observe here, if this will be multiplication here, this number we need x. This number if will go to that side, what will become? This side if multiplication, if it will go to the right side, that it will become division. So what is that? X is equal to, what will become? Already right side what is there? 8 by 9, and this will go that side, that will become division, minus 4 by 15. Are you clear? Now the two rational numbers if we divide, what the answer will come? That is x. X means other number. So let us see. Now hence x is equal to, first simplify out this, minus 8 by 9 division, I written again once more time. Okay, is equal to, what do you have studied that division means? The reciprocal multiplication of the second rational number. So first write down this, next keep the into, multiplication keep, because division instead of multiplication you have keep, but this will change. That means 15 by minus 4. Now observe friends, multiply now direct, or you can add also, but you direct multiply first, then you simplification you do. Minus 8 into 15, 15 8 ja 120 by 9 4 ja minus 36. Okay, so minus to minus cancel over, 120 by 36. Now we can simplest form we have to make. See students, this is 36, 4 divisible also, this is also 4 divisible. Yes, so you small use do 4 means 4 3 ja 12, 0 4 9 ja. Okay, if you cut also 3 10 ja, 3 3 ja, so 10 by 3. This is our answer. Hence the other number is 10 by 3. Okay students, so if other number question, what is that? Find the other number. So other number is 10 by 3. Okay students, thank you all of you. You should write these notes for you, and for homework I will give you homework. Divide the following: a 3 by 4 divided by 1 by 2, 15 by 4 divided by 3 by 8. This you do in your notebook. Okay friends, thank you.